Hey everyone, welcome back to ProgrammingLearn. Today we're building a simple desktop app, a BMI calculator using Python. It's perfect for beginners. Let's jump right in. First, let's build what our app will look like. We'll use Python's built-in Tkinter library, so you don't need to install anything. Let's start by importing it and creating our main window. This code creates a window, gives it a title, and sets its size. Simple. Next, we need places for the user to type their weight and height, plus a button to do the calculation. A label is just text. An entry is a text box you can type in, and a button is, well, a button. The .pack method simply stacks them on top of each other. Notice the button's command is set to a function named calculate_BMI. We haven't made that function yet, so our app will give an error if we run it now. To fix that for a moment, let's create an empty placeholder function at the top. Finally, we need one last line at the very bottom of the file to make the window stay open. This main loop line starts our app. Let's run this and see what we've built. Look at that. We have a user interface. You can type in the boxes and click the button, but of course it doesn't do anything yet. Now for the fun part. Let's add the brains. Okay, let's replace our empty calculate_BMI function with the real logic. Inside the function, we use weight_entry.get to grab the text from the entry box. We then use float to convert that text into a number. Now we'll apply the BMI formula, which is weight/height too. But remember, height must be in meters. We convert centimeters to meters by dividing by 100. Then we calculate the BMI and round it to 2 decimal places. Lastly, let's figure out the BMI category and display everything on our result label. This if, elif, else block assigns a category based on the BMI score. The most important line is result_label.config. which updates the text of our result label to show the final answer. The try and accept block is for error handling. If the user types hello instead of a number, our app won't crash. It will just show a nice error pop-up. And that's it. The code is complete. Let's run the final version. Awesome! It works perfectly. And if I type something invalid, our error message pops up. Fantastic! Congratulations! You've just built a working desktop app with Python. The full code is in the description below. If you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe to ProgrammingLearn for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!